Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the thumbnail, I'm about to do this little space buns look with added hair, and it's like a really good protective style. And so my hair is already like stretched, and if you want to see how I stretch my hair, I'll be sure to link that video in the cards. But yeah, my hair is just split right down the middle, and so yeah, let's get into it. So I'm separating like a front portion of my hair that I'm gonna do for my I don't know what it's called, but like I'm gonna slick that part down at the end. So I'm just sectioning that part off right now, and I'm making sure that my my parts are straight and everything, since it isn't gonna be in the front. And I'm just making sure my middle part is straight. So I'm going in with my gel, this Edge Booster Style Factor gel, and I'm going to put that all over like the edges of my hair and brush it down. And I know it comes on white, but like once it dries clear. It just like comes on white, if that makes sense. Like I don't know why it does that, but like as soon as it dries, it clears up. So I'm just going to slick all that hair into a ponytail, like section it, like yeah, put it in a ponytail wherever you want your space buns to be. And so I'm doing mine like right above my ear, like in the middle of my head. And then you want your bun, like your real hair, to be like as small as possible so it won't be seen. So I'm just trying to like braid it tightly to where it's not going to be shown. I'm just wrapping it in a bun. And yeah, I'm going to do that to both sides. And now that I'm going to use this fake hair that I have left over from something else I did, I'm just going to split that in half. And this is how I put it on. I just use this what is that called, ponytail holder, and I just like, I don't know how to explain it, but you guys saw what I did, so just do that. And then yeah, I'm just gonna braid up the fake hair and make sure it's kind of big, and then I'm just gonna wrap that braided hair around my thing. It's super easy. So yeah, I'm just making sure to hide my hair because I don't know, I don't want two textures like in my space buns, so I'm just making sure that my hair is hidden. And I'm just gonna bobby pin that braid down so it doesn't come loose. So now that my space buns are done, I'm going to go ahead with that first section of hair that I sectioned out. And I'm going to like take that section by section and gel it down so it's like really, really flat. And I'm using the same gel that I used. And yes, you guys, I do have gray hair. It's like really genetic. I'm not an old lady, I swear. I'm like I'm 22, but yeah, I had gray hair since I was like 13 years old. Like it's like genetic, so don't come for me. So I'm gonna just brush that front part down. Make sure it's detangled and then also like flattened, and I'm just gonna wrap that around the bun and then bobby pin it. I'm making sure to add enough bobby pins to where it's flat on my head and it's not gonna, like, you know, puff up or anything. So yeah, I'm just gonna let that sit while I do my makeup. I mean, like 10 minutes is good enough to let it sit. You just want it to be flat. And you want your edges to be laid, but like especially that front part that you just laid down, you definitely want that to be flat. So it's a must to like tie it down while it's drying. You can't skip this step, please. So it's all dried, you know, my makeup is all glammed out. And yeah, you guys see like my hair doesn't have like a white cast anymore. Yeah, so you guys style your hair however you would like. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna try this style or if you already have tried it. Also, if you like this video, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You know, it helps me out a lot and I'd really appreciate it if you guys subscribe to my channel. Peace and love, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.